Why did governments enact coffee curfews for public order? Imagine a time when your favorite coffee shop might have closed earlier than expected or even been off limits late at night. You might wonder why governments would set rules about when you can enjoy your coffee. Well, these laws didn't come out of nowhere. They were often part of larger efforts to keep society running smoothly. During certain periods, especially times of crisis or unrest, authorities wanted to control public behavior and prevent chaos. Coffee houses have long been places where people gather to chat, debate, and sometimes even plan protests. Because of this, governments sometimes put restrictions on them to limit large crowds or late-night socializing. For example, during World War II, the United States government imposed nationwide curfews on bars and nightclubs. The goal was to save energy and keep order during wartime. Coffee houses that stayed open late were affected because they were seen as social hubs that could contribute to disorder if left unchecked. These restrictions meant coffee shops had to close by a certain hour, often around 10 or 11 at night. The idea was to reduce unnecessary activity at night that could distract from the war effort or cause disturbances. In some places, laws specifically targeted coffee late at night. For instance, in Alabama, it is illegal to serve coffee after 10:45 in the evening in cafeterias. In Louisiana, drive-through coffee shops cannot serve coffee after 10 at night. These laws aim to encourage people to sleep and maintain social discipline. They were based on the idea that late-night caffeine consumption might make people restless or disrupt social norms about sleep and rest. Historically, coffee houses have been seen as places of political discussion and social influence. Authorities wanted to keep a lid on these gatherings, especially if they thought they could lead to unrest. Back in the 17th century in England, coffee houses needed licenses, and women were often banned from entering. This was a way to control who could participate in public discourse. In Venice, coffee was restricted to nobles only, showing how coffee laws could also be about class and social order. So, these coffee curfews and regulations were not just about coffee. They were tools used by governments to manage public order, conserve resources during tough times, and control social behavior. While they might seem odd today, they reveal how food and drink laws have been used to shape society and keep things running smoothly.